Here, you will learn English differently, and you will know how to speak English correctly.
What?
Hi, I'm Osama. Welcome to Lines English. Last video we had a quick discussion about nouns, adjectives, and verbs. In this video, we'll discuss quickly Why do we say quick discussion and discuss quickly? Why do we use quick with discussion and quickly with discuss? And what is the difference between discussion and discuss? Discussion is the noun. So when I describe the noun, I use the adjective quick. But discuss is the verb. So to describe the verb, how the verb is done, I use quickly, which is the adverb. And this is what we will discuss today, the adverbs. Alright, let's look at these examples. The tortoise is slow. I describe the tortoise itself. The tortoise walks slowly. I describe the action of the tortoise. It walks slowly. So the adjective slow describes the noun tortoise, and the adverb slowly describes the verb walks. There are many types of adverbs, and this is only one of them. The adverbs that describe the verb, the adverbs of manner. They tell you how the verb is done. And you normally form it by adding ly to the adjective. For example, different became differently, quick became quickly, slow became slowly, and so on. Okay, but Apple's slogan is think different. And think is the verb. So here I use the adjective different to describe the verb think. How is that? That's because Steve Jobs wanted to be different in everything, even in using grammar. So he used the adjective to describe the verb, and he said think different and not think differently. But then there are some cases that are irregular, which are not formed by adding ly to the adjective. For example, the cheetah is fast. So here I describe the cheetah using the adjective fast. But also, Adam drives fast. So here I describe the verb drive using fast, which is also the adverb. So the same word fast is an adjective and is an adverb. Sandra is a good girl. So here I use the adjective good to describe the girl Sandra. But the adverb of good is a totally different word, which is well. So if I want to describe the verb, I'll say they play tennis well. I want to say that they play in a good way, so I use the adverb well. So the adjective is good, but the adverb is well. Okay, what about Lines English slogan? Master English elegantly. Master here is the verb, and elegantly is the adverb that describes how you will master English. So here, you will learn English. I need the adverb differently to describe the verb learn, not the adjective different or the noun difference. And you'll know how to speak English, again, the adverb correctly to describe the verb speak, not the adjective correct or the noun correction. Here, you will learn English differently and you will know how to speak English correctly. Thank you and have a beautiful day.